The FSP framework stands for Funnel, Store, and Product. This is a process or the framework for making an online store and online sales. You must funnel people into your store. You must have an existing functional store, and the store must have existing products so that people can evaluate and buy. People do not come to your store to browse just for fun. People also don't pay for something interesting. People pay for benefits. First step is to funnel desired customers to your store. Then you have to let them be shown the products. Remember, you do not show them the products. The software platform decides what products they will see. Customers also do not go directly into your store. They only go through your store indirectly if they find a product interesting. The last step is to wait. Some customers will check it out, and some will compare prices, and some will circle back to buy it. Since Etsy already have built-in market goers, it's like a fishing pond stocked with fish. You can just start from them. You don't have to go outside of Etsy using social network or Google search engines. Etsy is not very crowded and is rather democratic, so everyone has a chance for their products to be shown. You can pick one search term for each product, but you'll get a fair chance of being shown. Then you just have to wait. You have to wait for customers to make their decisions. Don't bother them with emails, with Facebook chats, with this and that. Those won't work.